The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. And before we get started today, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers. I just hit 500 subscribers today, and I could not be happier about that. Thank you guys so much for believing in the content and giving me those thumbs up and liking and subscribing and commenting. You guys really mean the world to me, and I couldn't thank you enough. I never dreamed that I would hit 500 subscribers in this short of a time frame. It's been just over 3 months, and I'm at 501 subscribers as of the recording of this video. So thank you guys so much for believing in the content. If you are new to the channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So you will see a lot of budget-friendly versions of higher luxury brands on this channel, but you will not see the really high luxury brands on this channel. I typically review watches in the $30 to $100 range. Sometimes you'll see something a little less than $30, and sometimes you'll see things a little bit more than $100. I do have some Seikos that I review, some Timex and Casio, things that do run over the $100 limit, like the Fossil here, and a couple of other brands that are more expensive than the $100 range. But I typically like to stay around the $50 to $100 range. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes you go over, sometimes you go under. But I do try to sift through all the junk so that I can refer to you guys the watches that I feel are you know, the best value for the price, that aren't too cheap and throwaway watches, but stuff that you can actually wear on your arm that make you feel like you have a nice watch and make you look good. Because like I said, I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune, and everybody deserves to have a beautiful looking watch on their arm. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure you do consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, especially if you like to see watches and watch review videos, because I am Dave the Watchman, and that's what I do. So without further ado, let's get into this. Today, I'm going to review a watch that came in on an AliExpress haul that I did a few days ago, and I do believe that it's one of my favorite watches in that haul. But one of the watches did stand out above all else in that AliExpress haul, and it is probably my favorite watch in my entire collection, and that would be this Steel Dive here. But I will be doing a full review on this watch soon, so stay tuned for that. This is probably, like I said, I think this is my favorite watch in the entire collection, but I will be doing a review on that, so definitely stay tuned for that video. Today I have something similar, not completely similar to that one, but along the same lines as that one, because like I said before, I don't know about you guys, but I really do love this blue color here. I've got 3 watches here with this blue color, and I really like it. It's a very, in my opinion, a very stunning color, and I think it looks really sharp. But it is, you know, I'm pretty biased because that's one of my favorite colors. So this watch that we have today by LIGE is actually the same color, or a similar color. I really do love that color, and that's why I did pick this watch. I did buy this watch and this watch in the same AliExpress haul, and I love the watch. So anyway, this LIGE watch, I've reviewed a few other LIGE watches on this channel. I believe this one's a LIGE. Yeah, this is a LIGE watch as well, and it is a very good quality watch, so I figured, what the heck, I might as well get one. another one, and when I saw this color, I just, I couldn't resist it. I really do love this color. So the Liege watches, they come with their, guarantee or their warranty card. They come with the tag that goes on the bracelet tag. They come with the warranty card. They also come with a little cleaning cloth, which is kind of, I don't know, that's kind of a cheap cleaning cloth. This is the one that you get from Navaforce. They send a really nice one, so this is kind of cheap by comparison. But it does come with the instruction booklet, so you can, tell how to actually operate the watch. So getting into the watch itself, it is a beautiful looking watch. It's got some good weight to it. This watch, I believe, is a mineral crystal, Hardlex mineral crystal. So it's a hardened mineral crystal. It's not along the lines of a sapphire crystal, but it has been reinforced. They call this the lake blue color. So this is the lake blue version of the watch. And this watch is very, very good quality for the price. So it's obviously, it's a quartz movement. It's not an automatic. It does have the stopwatch feature and the moon phase also on it, and everything works as it should on these watches. It's really good quality watch, very nicely built, very solid, stainless steel bracelet, and it is water resistant to 30 meters. However, I have not checked the efficacy of its water resistance at this time, but it does say that it is 30 meters water resistant, 3 ATM, 30 water resistant. So it's all stainless steel. It's got the quartz movement, keeps really good time. It's got the milled butterfly clasp. And it's the band is held together with pins, which are relatively easy to resize this watch. The only complaint that I do have about this watch, and it's something that I noticed right when I did the unboxing of it. So if you take a look at that video, you'll also see the hands on this watch seem to kind of blend with the dial. They're very, very thin and not very. They're just not very visible. So to me, I think they could have done a better job on the hands, making them a little thicker maybe, because when you've got it in like, certain positions, it's almost like the hands just kind of blend with the watch. And to me, I would have much rather preferred some sort of a more of a white color hands, or even just a wider silver hands on this would have been much nicer. But other than that, great watch, great quality watch. I did wear it once so far, and I did get a compliment on it. I think it really is that turquoise color that really catches people's eyes. It's a very, very brilliant dial on this thing. So very, very, very good quality, nice color on it, very nicely built. It does look like a much more expensive watch when you have it on your arm from across the room. It does kind of resemble a higher end brand of a watch with the tachymeter, so it does kind of look like a sporty watch, which almost pays homage to a much more expensive brand. But once again, very, very nice watch. It's not a direct copy of any other watch that I've seen. And it's definitely not a counterfeit. It's definitely not a clone or a fake. This is Liege. It's their own brand. They do produce very nice watches, all different styles of watches. Like I said, I do have a couple in my collection, and I would not hesitate to buy any more Liege watches. I think they're just a great quality watch. And guys, believe it or not, you can have this watch for less than $30. I mean, seriously, for $30, you can have a really nice watch on your wrist. And I think right now on AliExpress, this thing is about $25.99 or $26. So I will post a link to that in the description below. And if you'd like, you can click on that link in the description. It is an affiliate link. It will send a couple of dollars over to me if you do decide to purchase it through that link, which I would definitely appreciate. It doesn't add any money onto your purchase. The price is what the price is on on AliExpress. The only difference is I get a little bit of a commission on it if you do click on the link. So it's going to be the same price for you either way, whether you go to AliExpress or whether you click on the link. But I would definitely appreciate it if you did click on the link, because that would be totally awesome and it would send a couple of dollars over to me. Definitely appreciate that. So if you do like this watch, the link will be below. And if you do have any other questions about this watch, please leave those questions in the description below. I can answer any questions. Like I said, not a lot to talk about here. It's a good quality watch, easy to resize, nice solid bracelet. It's 30 meters, water resistant. It's got a quartz movement in it, so it's not an automatic. And it has a Hardlex mineral crystal, which is a decent mineral crystal as far as scratch resistance is concerned, but it's not as good as a sapphire. But if you want a sapphire, you're going to have to up the price, up the budget for a sapphire crystal. But either way, great watch, good watch for the price. And I would not hesitate to buy one of these if you guys are looking for a nice watch. So my buddy Shrody wants to get in on the video, so say hi, buddy. Say hi, buddy. Do you like this watch? You like this watch, bud? Yeah? So once again, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it really does help out the channel. And once again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers helping me try and reach my goal. I am at like I said, 501 subscribers right now as of the recording of this video. And I could not appreciate you guys more. Thank you so much. And until the next watch review video, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. Till next time, I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Have a great day.